Hey you guys, Amber J here from Best Bets Trades, just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out today, and we took some pretty awesome plays today in the Discord, so I'm going to go over some of those with you. But first things first, I'm going to go over the call and put triggers that Gundy gave us for Tesla. So first thing this morning, the puts were triggered at 170.33 and the first price target hit of 169.51. The calls were triggered at 172.69, the first price target hit of 173.76, and the second price target hit of 174.80. So I'm going to go over Tesla and show you how you could have played it. We play these call input triggers in conjunction with Gundy's indicators. So we use those price targets as guides to guide us while we're following the indicators. So first thing this morning, we got a rejection off of previous day low, the first candle. The second candle got a rejection off of previous day low as well. And we got the sell signal. So you could have entered into puts once it got below that those EMAs there and rode that down to this support level right here, which just happens to be where Gundy's first price target for puts was. Then we got the bounce up off of that support, and then we got the buy signal on this candle. So you could have entered here with your for calls and rode that up to that 200 EMA or this resistance level right here, the dashed line. So these dashed lines are really our support and resistance lines, and they change color as the candles move. So if it's using it as support, it turns green, and if it's using it as resistance, it turns red. So I use those kind of as my targets to get in and out at, as well as the EMAs and stuff. And I'll show you on a play that I took on AMD how I used the EMAs as a target price. So you could have rode that up and taken profit here at Gundy's third or second price target. I forget which one it was. And then we got the sell signal, and it was rejecting off of that 200 EMA, and you could have gotten in once the EMAs crossed to the downside and rode it down to the support level again. So you could have played it 3 times. First one down, second one up, and then third one down again. So really good day for trading Tesla if that's your thing. So I'm going to go over AMD because I like to play AMD every day. I got it rejected off of that 200 EMA, which is the yellow line right here, and we got the sell signal, and as soon as it dropped below those EMAs and they were all crossing to the downside, I got into puts and I rode that down to this candle here, so I made a really good profit on the way down. It did bounce off of that previous day low and worked its way back up to the 200 EMA. I wish I had gotten into calls here, but I didn't. I took my profit and then kind of took it easy for a little bit, but once I saw it rejecting off of that 200 EMA, Venus and I got into this candle for puts and we rode it down to that 50 EMA. So when we got the rejection off of the 200, there was room for it to go down, and I got out at the 50 because there was a lot of support. Those 3 EMAs would have been a lot of support there. So we got in and got out really quickly, but in one candle, but we made a good profit on that. So really good play that was taken live in our voice channel. So I'm going to go over to our Discord and show you some stuff in here. So I'm going to go to the chat. So this chat is going on while we're trading live in voice. So we have our live trading channel where we're talking live in voice and playing calling out our trades live in real time. So if you guys are interested and serious about trading, please join the Discord. You won't be disappointed. We have call and put triggers in our alerts section. Also, Jim C posts the macro side of things on support and resistance levels to look out for when we're scalping the micro. It's really good information to have. So here we have Jim here and NQ and ES futures, and he gives us support and resistance levels to look out for while we're trading. So it's pretty cool. And we'll just talk about it. So Jim C is talking about his swing that he took on shop, and he sold half of his position on that and made a really good profit. He's talking about some of his other swings. Chuckles yesterday was swinging some calls for SPX, and then he's asking if anyone else got in that with him. So he was up 25%, then 50%, and then down here he sold for 60%, and then he also sold SPY calls for 55%. So really awesome plays that are given to us in the Discord. Lots of amazing information with very experienced traders. So I'm telling you guys, this Discord is awesome. And then this is Gundy's Tesla play that he took. 3,800 bucks he made on Tesla with a 27% profit, or 27% profit on that one. AMD puts, Chuckles got into 70 strike at just after 10 o'clock, and he got 20% on and sold on that one. That's the same trade that Venus and I took. Chuckles wasn't on voice that in the morning. He was just chatting in the chat, and Venus and I and Gundy were all in the chat, so we were talking about that when we got into it. And I was just telling Chuckles where we got in and where we got out. And then he's like, it's almost time for another trade. So his whole portfolio is at 15% in the last 2 days. Just like amazing. Chuckles sold for another 8%. Like, this Discord is making bank every single day, guys. I'm telling you. If you guys are interested in joining our Discord, we're doing a Santa Claus special right now. So it's $15 for the first month. So all you have to do is click on the link below, and you can be trading with us as early as tomorrow morning. We are also doing a raffle giveaway of $1,000. And to qualify for that, all you have to do is like, subscribe, comment, and share our YouTube video, and send us an email, which is linked in the description below, and we'll send you a raffle number for that. And that takes place on December the 26th. So if you're not a member of our Discord, you'll receive $500 towards your lifetime membership. And if you are, and then $500 for your trading account. And if you are a member of our Discord, you'll receive the full $1,000 for your trading account. So we can get you all set up and ready to go trading if you win that raffle. It's pretty cool. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you are interested, just click on the link below. And like I said, you can be trading with us as early as tomorrow morning. $15 for the first month. You can give us a try and see if we're a good fit. You get access to all of Gundy's indicators, the call input triggers, live trading every single day, the chat channel, like everything. So I'm telling you guys, this is the time to sign up and learn, because this Discord is truly incredible with very, very experienced traders in here. So that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.